Switching assignments, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing English phrase, switch assignments. Whether you're in school, at work, or just navigating everyday conversations, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together. Switch assignments refers to the act of exchanging tasks or duties with someone else. This could happen in various contexts, such as in an educational setting where students might swap their given assignments, or in the workplace, where colleagues might trade tasks to better suit their skills or workload. The key idea here is exchange. You're trading one assignment for another with someone else. Switching assignments is particularly common in situations where individuals feel another task is more suited to their skills or interests. Reasons to switch might include balancing workloads, addressing changes in availability, or simply the desire to work on something more aligned with one's strengths. It's a strategy that can enhance productivity and satisfaction for all parties involved. Requesting to switch assignments should be done thoughtfully. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Assess the reason why you want to switch. Is it for personal preference, skill alignment, or workload management? 2. Approach the other person or people involved. Clearly explain your reason for wanting to switch and how you think it could benefit both parties. 3. Seek approval from a teacher, supervisor, or another authority figure if necessary. They will need to agree that the switch is appropriate and beneficial. 4. Formalize the switch. Depending on the context, this might mean updating a project management tool, emailing a confirmation, or simply shaking hands. In education, two students may switch assignments if one is better at math while the other excels in literature, and they each have assignments in those subjects. In the workplace, colleagues might switch assignments to align tasks with each person's expertise, such as a graphic designer and a copywriter trading tasks to better suit their skills. We hope this guide has shed some light on what it means to switch assignments, and how you can effectively apply this concept in your daily life. Whether you're a student looking to swap homework tasks or a professional seeking to trade duties with a coworker, understanding the ins and outs of this phrase can make your life a bit easier. Remember, the goal is to enhance productivity and satisfaction for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.